After so much rumors, we finally got a good news regarding the upcoming S23 lineup. As we already know that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will bring significant upgrades and performance and efficiency compared to the S22 Ultra. Recently we saw a benchmark of the Galaxy S23 with some impressive results, and now it's time for its bigger sibling, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and scores are even better. Of course, I would like to mention that this benchmark wasn't run at the chipset's full potential, so in reality the S23 Ultra will surely touch the 5000 multi-core mark, which is an impressive year-over-year difference. We should still see 4 cameras on the back of the S23 Ultra, except with one major change. There will allegedly be a 200-megapixel main camera claimed by multiple sources, even higher residential than the already high-res 108-megapixel main camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This will apparently be capable of 200 or 12.5-megapixel photos, but not the 50-megapixel other phones already using this sensor are capable of. In better news, you would have since said that the S23 Ultra's 200-megapixel main camera could be much better and taking low-light photos than expected. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was already a capable camera phone for night shots. Ice Universe says that the camera post-processing won't be as aggressive as the S22 Ultra, which means Samsung is going for a more natural look instead of the oversaturated and overprocessed look we have on current Samsung flagships. We will have to wait to find out, but he mentions that the HDR has been improved and it's more like Sony's sensors now, which is good news. Samsung is capable of getting surprisingly good results through software, so hope are high that this will translate into good real-world usage scenarios. It's going to have the S Pen in the same spot as before. If there is a new version of Gorilla Glass, it is going to be using that in its construction. It's going to have all the basics: wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, 45-watt charging, water resistance, and much more. We've heard that the S23 Ultra may be slightly longer and wider than the S22 Ultra and also heavier. This model will also suffer from the thicker bezels, but no display size increase. This could perhaps explain the slight body size increase. So stay tuned for more S23 Ultra leaks. It's not that far, most likely we're looking at a January or February release date next year. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.